Yes, good evening. For today's video, we have a parcel from TikTok. This is order of Little Inday, and this is the one is parcel from Shopee. I am the one who ordered this one. This is panty for Little Inday. I buy this one 300 plus. So unboxing tayo today, unboxing para lang meron tayong wow. So that we have what do you call that one? We have premiere tonight. So so nice panty, guys. I love this one. Oh, nice panty. I like. The design is so very cute. Very cute panty. So that's why I ordered that one for Little Inday, guys. For Little Inday. Okay. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6. I always buying a panty for Little Inday, guys, because I'm go home to Bohol. It's me like that if I'm doing going to if I have they call that one biyahe, I buy panty for Little Inday. It is nice. The this called that one, ang tatak is ban logo kids panty 5 packs for girl. So very nice. Very nice. I am the one who ordered that one. I am the one who ordered. So next, the parcel from. Before I receive this one, guys, I said to the delivery boy was shouted, "Merlita Lobos, what's that? What's from saan galing na parcel yan? Shopee. Okay, wait." I said to the delivery boy, "Okay, wait. I will check to my Shopee account if I have a order." So I received this one because I have a order. So this one nakalagay fragile or fragile like that. This is from TikTok, no? Kasi G anti ang ano. So I am also checking because nakalagay signature by Merlita Lobos. Then the one who ordered is Little Inday Milo Chavez. So before I receive also this one, I check to the account of Little Inday because I don't have my account of TikTok. So always checking because mahirap na makatanggap tayo ng, it is really hard na makatanggap tayo ng mga parcel na hindi naman natin in order kaya kailangan nating magmatyan tayo kasi maraming ngayon, lalo na yung mga taong may galit sa atin, may mga siraan tayo. Pero pag may Panginoon tayo, di tayo siraan. So this is I don't know what is this one. What is the order of Little Inday? I like this one, popping. I do popping like this. So very nice. Can relieve your stress. And relieve my stress, guys. So maybe later I do it again. I love this one doing like so. Okay, let me check what is inside, no? So how to open this one? Do like this because no packet. What is this? Oh my. Kinder Choco Buns. You know, guys, it is so very yummy, this one. How much the price? 530. One. Two. Only 3. Oh my God. So 500, how much? how much is one of this pack? 530 pesos. So, 100 something, no? 150? 150 plus 150 is 450. So, maybe 160 or 180. So, this one, only 530 pesos, only 3 packs. This is Kinder Choco Buns Crispy. I was also, because before, Little Inday is do order like this. So, it is so very yummy, guys. So, very yummy. So, let me check. 530 divided by 3. So, let me check how much now. 530 divided by 3. 530 divided by 3. Oh my God, 176.6. So, around, let me do round up. Maybe 176 times 3. 100 plus 176 something times 3. 528 lang. So, lagay natin 177 times 3. 531 lagpas. Mga ano lang itong 176.75 maybe times 3. No. So, 176.50 times 3. Ayan, 229.50. Something. So, yan. That's tonight our unboxing. This one. And also the fancy. So, very nice panty, guys. Sulit na yan. And unboxing of Little Inday. Gusto ko siya, guys, kasi ang ganda ng tila niya. So, very nice. Kung may mga anak kayo, yan, order na kayo sa Ban Logo. Ang tatak nito, Ban Logo. Nice kayo ang tila, guys. Super nice.
Ano na po, may?
So, ayan, guys. Need nating tikman, no? Tikman natin yung ni Little Inday. Masarap to, guys. Sobra. Mag-open tayo ng... Kuha lang tayo ng isa. Mamahalin kasi kung mga ganito. Ayan. Oh. Ito ang kanyang laman, guys. Ito masarap. Sobrang sarap, nalinamnam. Parang may, ay cookie. Give me more to Little Inday. Birami.
Pwede din yun.
Pwede yan. Lagay mo ito doon. Tapos ito yung pande kasi dadalhin natin ito sa buhol. Para may pagkakapat. Ilagay mo ito doon. Itatapon na natin itong karton. Lalaban ko yan. Lagay mo doon. Huwag na. Lagay mo ito doon. Huwag ka munang kumain. Kasi natin yan. Kasi ikaw. Oo, mamaya. Sobrang sarap, guys. Malinamnam. So, gagawin natin tayo kasi ito ay stress reliever. Umalis kayo dyan natin, nagbablog ako. Stress, to good for stress relievers, guys. I love doing this one. Kaya, wala man tayong ma-content so that they have a premiere. So, don't do this one tapping. Good ASMR sounds. Good ASMR sounds, guys. Uy, sino nagpatugtog? Sino yung nagpatugtog? Nice to do this one. Agoy, ginoo ko, tumambay ka lang, maingay pa yung cellphone mo, Doy. Painaan mo yung cellphone mo, Doy. Ay. Si kuya pala ito. Nag-vlog kasi ako. Ayan. Mga 15 minutes I doing this. Every day have a parcel, guys. I just doing like this. This is my stress relievers. We need to pop up everyone. Ayan. Wala. No content, so do like this. Do like this because no content. Only do like this. How about you, Grandpa? You doing like this, Grandpa? Everyone, if you have a parcel, do like this. Para diba? Ay, ako, natapos din. Tapos itong isa pa. Little Inday, laging nag-order. Ano, kaltugan portion, hindi yan kaltugan portion. Oy. Hindi tayo ito pa. Ito mas maganda, guys. Eh. Pero mas maganda kulay itim, madali mapindot. Ito mahirap. Ay, we do like this, oh. Ayaw, di siya katulad ng kulay itim ba? Mas malakas. Ay, sakit lang ang kamay ko nito. Para magtiris na lang tayo ng kuto, guys, oh. Diyan pa, it's do like, I was, popping the egg lice. Popping the egg lice, Grandpa. I do like this, Grandpa. Oh my God. No content, that's why I do like this. So, bye-bye. Ito lang ang ating content for today's video. Unboxing tayo kasi wala tayong pang content. So, thank you for all supporting in the Mars Cute na only to me. Thank you everyone for those who do super chat to Grandpa. Congratulatory message and also the sending of congratulatory message also. Then, thank you so much everyone. Love you all, guys. Stay safe and keep safe and see you around, guys. Bye.